I'm Ryan Iverson, and this is the Investor Breakout Weekly Insight. Let's talk about what happened this week. Tariffs are back in the driver's seat, and markets are feeling it. U.S. stocks are on the defensive after a Supreme Court decision challenged President Trump's tariff authority, throwing major trade agreements into doubt. Over the weekend, Trump escalated again, lifting the baseline tariff rate on imports to 15%. That's reigniting fears of trade war 2.0. Investors are reacting to renewed policy uncertainty, a softer U.S. dollar, and questions around the fiscal impact of overturned tariffs. Global partners are pushing back quickly. The EU has rejected the move outright, and clarity is in short supply. Gold is catching the bid. A weaker dollar and rising political risk are sending capital back into safe havens. And that uncertainty south of the border is also lifting Canadian gold names, with investors rotating into producers and developers tied to a strengthening gold price. Uncertainty is kryptonite for equities, but fuel for metals. At the same time, volatility is spreading. AI disruption fears are pressuring mega-cap stocks, oil is rising on geopolitical tension, and tonight's State of the Union could set the tone for what comes next. Big picture, we're back in a headline-driven tape. Policy risk is moving markets, gold is firming, the dollar is wobbling, expect volatility. Atlas Salt is once again a top 5 pick, this time at the 2026 CEM Whistler Capital Event, after first earning top pick recognition at Muskoka just a few months ago. If you caught our previous overview of Atlas Salt on our YouTube channel, here are a few key updates since you last heard the story. The company has expanded its strategic partnership with Sandvik Mining. This has increased scope roughly 132 million Canadian dollars in underground equipment, electrification, automation, and long-term services. The agreement now extends through construction and ramp up, with vendor financing discussions underway to support development. Atlas has also begun trading on the OTCQX under the symbol SALQF, broadening its reach to U.S. investors. Back-to-back top pick recognition, a strengthened strategic partnership, expanded market access, Atlas Salt continues to move forward at a steady pace. To revisit our full company overview, head to our YouTube channel. And for the latest updates and management insights, subscribe to the Investor Breakout newsletter. Onyx Gold was selected as a top 5 pick at the 2026 CEM Whistler Capital Event, standing out as a focused gold exploration story in 2 of Canada's most proven districts. Onyx Gold Corp holds 100% ownership of large, highly prospective land packages in the Timmins Gold Camp in Ontario and the Selwyn Basin region of the Yukon. Both regions are well known for hosting significant gold deposits. Onyx is executing systematic exploration programs in each, with the goal of making new discoveries and building meaningful gold resources over time. The company is led by an experienced technical management team with a track record of advancing projects from early exploration through resource growth. The focus is disciplined capital allocation, steady exploration progress, and long-term value creation in establishing mining camps. To learn more about Onyx Gold and what caught investors' attention in Whistler, subscribe to the Investor Breakout newsletter. I'm Ryan Iverson, and I'll see you next week.